Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to make your channel subscription private on YouTube. When someone visits your channel, they can be able to see all the channels you are subscribed to. To hide your subscriptions, follow this procedure. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. Log into your YouTube account if you are not logged in. Click on your profile photo at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. On the left sidebar, click on Privacy. Now toggle the button next to Keep all my subscription private to turn it on. All your subscriptions are hidden now. If someone visits your channel, they won't be able to see all the channels you are subscribed to. This is how you can make your channel subscription private on YouTube. Thank you for watching.